The question that we get all the time is, how much does property management cost? And that's really the wrong question. The better question is, how much more can I make in a building by hiring the right people to manage it for me? And we get that all the time. We take a look at a landlord's lease, for instance, and we find all sorts of expenses that are in there that are being borne by the investor. And as soon as we are able to take over and renegotiate those leases, we more than pay for our services. The same thing happens with the maintenance of the building, managing contractors. I've seen roofing quotes that were $60,000, $70,000, $80,000 higher than what we wound up doing the project for with a better, more reputable firm. And so, obviously that can pay huge dividends on the course of a year, 5 year, 10 years. So the right question is, let's get the professionals around this, and how much of a return, how much of an improvement to the profitability in this building can I expect?